Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple drink. It's an immune booster, so it's going around on WhatsApp, so I just thought that I share it on my page. I know that all my Ghanaian friends are doing this and drinking it with their families, and so if you want to try it, just get one pineapple, get lemon and ginger. We're gonna cut this, wash it real good, and we're gonna cut this, and we're gonna cut all of them, put them in a bowl filled up with water, and we're gonna boil it. We're gonna boil it for about 30 minutes. After you boil it, you let it sit for about an hour, and then you sieve it, and then you guys can drink it. Okay, and so here we go. Now there are two ways to make this. You can either cut the whole pineapple, everything, cut it up in pieces, and with the skin and the head, everything, and boil it, or you can cut around it and blend the pineapple inside and add it to your mixture. So, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna cut the whole thing and boil it. So this is 2 lemons sliced and your ginger. You could get ginger from Walmart, Giant, the Asian market, your African market. You could get your ginger. Okay, so I'm gonna fill this up with water and we're gonna boil. So here it is. Water is filled to the top. We're gonna cover it. We're gonna boil it for about 30 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes. We boil it. Then we're just gonna turn the heat off. We're gonna let it sit, and then for about an hour, and then we'll drain it. So pineapple, lemon and ginger has boiled for, I let it boil for 45 minutes. I'm just gonna let it sit in it for about an hour, and then I'll come and drain it. So drink is ready. Pineapple, lemon and ginger drink, and we're going to sieve it. I'm gonna pour it here. You need 2 of these. You need this big one, and then you need a small one as well. So I'm gonna pour this in here. And then after this is here, I'm gonna pour this in here as well. So pour it in your, wherever you're gonna keep it, okay? So that we can get everything out. You don't want all these things in it. There it is. And then you stop, okay? So you have a nice juice. You can drink it warm, cold. So there it is, your finished product. Ginger, pineapple and lemon drink. You can have this glass once a day, that's fine. You can have it cold, warm, whatever, okay? All right, thank you for watching. See you next time.